We are going to download and install Android Studio 4.0 and install the Android emulator and configure the right SDK for our Android Studio and run our Hello World application. What's up guys, and welcome to Master Coding channel and the complete Android developer course on Udemy. In this tutorial, we are going through installing and downloading Android Studio 4.0 and configuring it on the right SDK and the correct tools and running our first application on emulator. If this is your first time here and you want to learn Android from zero to hero by building real applications and publishing them on Play Store, you are on the right place. Hit subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit 5 stars on Udemy so you get the latest coupons, free coupons for our next projects. Let's begin downloading and installing Android Studio. In the first step, we go to the Google and add Android Studio. And we select this, or we can go to the studio developer.android.com/studio. So also we can select this first. I close this. So the link is developer.android.com/studio. So here we go. We have Android Studio 4.0 for Windows 64-bit, and the Android website will detect your Windows settings and give you the best approach and the best SDK for set up files for your Windows. This is Android Studio 4.0. Okay, and I will click on download. I have read and agree with the above terms and conditions and download Android Studio. So we will wait for the download. So if you want to learn Android Studio and Android app development from zero to hero and build applications and publish applications on Play Store, you are on the right channel. So click subscribe below and you will get the latest tutorials and